Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be doing another cash envelope stuffing, and if you're new here, I get paid 2 times a month. So the amounts that I'm stuffing in my envelopes need to last me for the next 2 weeks, and I am stuffing my last paycheck of August. So I'm going to go ahead and move over my sinking funds binders so that I can get started with my everyday cash envelopes here. And before I hop right in, we are stuffing $865. I made myself a laminated cash breakdown sheet finally. And then also this breakdown here of like the denominations I'm going to be stuffing in each envelope as well as the amounts. So I'm really glad that I'm, using something that's like reusable instead of just trying to print things out or glance over at my laptop. So this is going to help me, and I'll have this off to the side. That way I remember exactly what amount to stuff in each envelope. So I'm going to go ahead and jump right in. So we're going to start out with groceries, and I will be rolling over the money that I have in groceries. So I have 20, 30, 35, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. I'm going to be adding 120. So 20, 40, 60, 81, and 20. Oh, that was perfect. So we have 20, 40, 60, 81, 120, 140, 150, 155, 160, 165, 66, 67, 68, 69. So 169 in groceries. Thankfully, I haven't been going over budget in my groceries envelope because I've been rolling over the amount that's in here. So next up, we have dining out, and dining out has $5, $6, $7, $8, $9 left, and we're going to be adding 65 to this. So that's going to be 220s, 110, 2 5s, and there should be 5 1s. So 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 61, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, that is correct. So now in dining out, we have 20, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. So 74 in dining out. Thankfully, I'm not over budget because we've been doing really bad with dining out lately. Next, we're going to do my spending envelope. And I do have a envelope that I made. I think it's in my rose gold binder that I'm going to put this money into. So I have 20, 40, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64. So I'm just going to leave this off to the side so that when I come to my spending envelope, hopefully I remember to put this in there. So we'll go ahead and just leave this. No, I don't want to leave it there. I'll leave it down here. And spending for the next 2 weeks is going to be getting $50, and that's going to be 220s. Is this ripped? It is ripped. 220s and a 10. I'm sorry, guys. Sometimes I just get so bugged about these bills, like when they're ripped or crumpled, but you know what? It is what it is. So 50 in spending for the next 2 weeks. Hopefully I don't touch this, but we'll see. All right, next let's do car wash. And I haven't gone. I need to go. That's why all this money is still in here, but it's just going to get a 5. And I have 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And I think this is enough to take my car to get like a hand car wash instead of just taking it through like the drive-through one. So we'll see if I get to that this week. And the last envelope I have here is household. I always roll over household because I always end up needing things that cost a little more. I'm giving it 15 this week, or for the next 2 weeks. So we have 10, 20, 25, 30, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39 in household. All right, you guys, and that is it for my cash envelopes. If you missed my last video, I did make these with some like craft paper that I had, so I'm really happy with them and I really like them, even though they are not, floral anymore, but that's okay. Now we're going to go ahead and move on to our sinking funds, and I'm going to go ahead and start off with my first binder here, my clear star binder. So we're going to start out with wish list, and wish list is getting $40. And that's going to just be 220s, I think I've decided that I do want to just get my Cricut first, but I'm hoping that there will be like a good Black Friday sale instead of paying full price. So wishlist now has 100, 200, 250, 270, 290, 310, 320. So 320 in a wish list, and I'll update my little tracker off camera just to save some time. All right, next we've got Adventures, and Adventures is getting $15. Unfortunately, we haven't gone to the aquarium like I said I wanted to last time because my boyfriend and I have just not been feeling well the last few days, so hopefully we can go soon. We have 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71, 2, 3, and 4. So 74 in Adventures. And I apologize for all the background noise, you guys. I live on a really busy street, and I'm filming during the day. But I want to get this video up, so I hope you guys don't mind too much. Next, we've got Travel, and Travel is getting a 20. So Travel now has 100, 200, 300, 350, 370, 390, 400. My goodness, 400, you guys. That is awesome. And I'm still hoping to take that Hawaii trip with my boyfriend next year to celebrate our 5-year anniversary. So we'll see how things are looking next year. All right, up next is Christmas, and you guys know this is my favorite envelope, and this is going to be getting $80 today. So 50, 70, and 80. All right, so Christmas now has 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 550, 600, 620, 640, 660, 670, 680. So 680 in Christmas. I am so excited, you guys. Oh, I love Christmas. That's the most I've ever had saved up for Christmas because I've never actually budgeted for the holiday before. So now I just feel super prepared and really relieved. This envelope I just added back in here in case I ever want to add like any of the rollover money into savings, and then I can just put it in here and then deposit it into my account. Subscriptions isn't getting anything. It's fully funded. I'm just waiting for Amazon Prime to pull from my account, I believe this month actually. So that is it for this binder. Now I'm going to go ahead and move on to my rose gold binder. All right, and starting out with clothing. Clothing is only going to get $5 today. So clothing now has 20, 40, 60, 65, 66, 67. All right, holidays is getting $30. And you guys, I have heard that pumpkin patches are starting to pop up, so I am really, really excited and cannot wait. I absolutely love doing all the fall things. So we've got 50, 70, 90, 105. So 105 in holidays. All right, home is getting 20. So home now has 20, 40, 60, 70, and 5. So 75 in home. And I'm hoping to have enough money like by next January or February, maybe even the springtime, to put some money into like redecorating my living room and just making it feel like a little more like homey and cozy. Because I don't think I'll have enough money by the holiday time, but we'll see. All right, up next we've got beauty, and beauty is only getting $5 today. So beauty now has 50, 70, 90, 95, 100, 101, 102. And I want to go get a haircut. So we'll see if I make that happen this month. Next we've got gifts, and gifts we are trying to build back up. Gifts is getting 25 today. So So gifts now has 20, 40, 45, 46, 47, 48, and 49. I think the only birthdays I have coming up are my boyfriend's birthday. That's not until November. And then my sister's birthday, which is in December. So I've got to try to bulk this envelope up. And then here is our spending envelope, and that's where I'm gonna put this rollover money from my cash envelope. So let's see. Okay. All right, so spending now has 100, 120, 140, 160, 180, 190, 191, 92, 93, 94. Yeah, so 194. I just had to double count that really quick. And then the remaining funds that I have is gonna go to my debt, which is back here, and that is just for my car payment. I'm really trying to pay off my car. I know I won't be paying it off by this year, but I'm hoping within the next year or so I can pay it off. So I have 1, 2, 3, 350, 370 going to debt. And there should also still be the 370 in here because I need to deposit it. So I have 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 650, 700, 720, and 740 going to debt. And I'll probably be using the bills out of my debt envelope to do a bill exchange if I need to. In any of my envelopes, I haven't been keeping track. But that is it for today's cash stuffing. I do also have a bonus check to stuff, so that stuffing will be coming shortly after this video. But nonetheless, I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope you have a great week, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.